believe this is still recording. Okay, good. What is up, folks? Need for Steve back at it with another vlog today. I am currently using the Insta360 GO 1RS with the 4K media mod. This was going to film in like 6K. It's like a widescreen. So we'll kind of see how that is. The last vlog that I decided to test, the video angle was like all down here, so you really couldn't see anything. It was like handlebars, this, and kind of like right up here, so you couldn't see shit. It wasn't true to what I see, so I'm like, well, I'll just delete it and try it again. Totally forgot what the hell I talked about in that vlog, but it is what it is. When you're getting older, you just kind of tend to forget shit. Well, I could have totally rewatched it and gonna get a better understanding of what I made on that video, but I totally didn't do that. So yeah. So gonna, I guess, just talk about whatever. Maybe just kind of wanted to test out the 6K widescreen, or you know, whatever they call it here. But on another previous note, I got my heated grips back. It's a little unconventional, but essentially, I don't think the stock Honda Grom's like charging system can handle the A-Racer ECU, this Sport D display, and you know, everything else. So essentially, what I did is, well, actually, it was my brother's idea, but just buy some like cheap lead acid batteries on Amazon for like $15 a piece. For the non-ABS model Groms, there's a spot between like right here and kind of like where the battery sits. You could stuff another fucking battery in there, and they get heated grips. I'm gonna take the seat off, charge it every time when you get back. That's good. You get heated grips for about an hour or so on the high setting, so it's not bad. I mean, it's unconventional, and I don't know how long those batteries will last, but you know, it's just kind of nice to be able to have fucking heated grips again. That was always like one of my favorite things about motorcycles, man. It's like one of those like luxury items is like heated grips. Heated grips are the best. It's great because my truck has a heated steering wheel in it too. Some fancy like peeky out kind of thing. Yeah, that thing is fucking wonderful. There's days we'll put the heated seats on, put the heated steering wheel on, fucking drive with the windows down at like, I don't know, like 6 in the morning when I deliver Amazon stuff. So it's kind of nice. Like you're all tight, kind of toasty, but nice and cool at the same time. It's great. Figure I'd go out and enjoy the Grom again. It's supposed to be it's like 80 degrees right now. I don't know who likes Dutch Brothers, but whatever you need to hear, their coffee sucks. Even Starbucks is like overpriced stuff too. I had one of their spiced apple milk, whatever, I don't know. It's free. So I'm like, I'll try it. 10 out of 10 wouldn't recommend. It smelled great. It tastes like oat milk, I guess. It was like, I don't know, Starbucks is like really expensive for what you get. And like, I don't know, it's Starbucks isn't my favorite thing. Oh, they did have a iced pumpkin coffee from McDonald's for fucking $2. I think it was pretty legit. It's like weird. It's like as an adult, you get excited over like the I don't know if they're like major stuff, but like the small things, like a $2 pumpkin coffee from McDonald's was great. Getting there right after work when it's like 80 degrees outside. I'm excited to get like my ducts clean, my dryer vent cleaned out, and my furnace worked on, because it's supposed to be kind of like colder next week, so you couldn't ask for better timing, I guess. I'm excited that there's no window. I'm excited this thing can do like fucking 70 miles an hour against the wind. So, but yeah, I mean, it's like the small things in life. I'm like, and again, I'm not like super stoked to pay the that's like $600 to get your vents cleaned, your furnace serviced, and the dryer vent cleaned. I'm like, but at the end of the day, money's just money, and it just comes and goes. Hey, I'm gonna beat this light. I mean, you just kind of get like an appreciation for like stuff like that when you're an adult. It's like getting comfortable shoes, or you know, being able to take off a day in the middle of the week just to like kind of do whatever you want. So the nice thing about it is, like, I think, like, I don't know if my work is like, I don't know, like, right now it's like the great, like, silent quitting kind of thing. It's like where you're only doing the bare minimum amount of work. Like nobody's going overboard, or like, you know, really wanting to kind of do like extra work, because there's no like benefit out of it. You know, it's like if your employer does congratulate you for all your hard work, you're just gonna go, you know what I mean? You're gonna get a fucking pizza party, and it's like, oh boy, thanks. And that's kind of how it was when I was working at my other job before this one. Now it was like you see all these people leaving, you just take over their accounts and you don't get paid anything extra. You're there more. So I think my last 6 months that I was there, I'm like, I knew I was getting laid off. They were kind enough to give me like a 6-month notice. It was like right before the holidays, which is fine, but I didn't do fucking shit. I'd go in at like 4 in the morning, fucking literally take a nap until like 6 a.m., 5:30 or so. I would be busy from, I'd say, about 8 to 11. I'd go take a lunch, come back, and spend the rest of the days fucking dicking around at work. Plus all the like overtime that I milked out of that place. It was great. It's funny because they had asked me to come back after I left. I'm like, yeah, I'm good. It's a lane. Well, you can't pass. I'm doing 65 and a 40. I don't know how fast you can go. Go eat a dick. But yeah, I mean, the Grom looks good. I got everything. Everything's all dialed in after the big bore kit. I've almost got 1,000 miles on it, and nothing has been blown up. Essentially, I just have this temperature cage that I kind of keep it on. It starts flashing at 106 degrees Celsius. I think anything over that, it's not supposed to. I can't remember if it's 114 degrees or like 120 degrees, where it's like, if it's flashing that long, you should probably pull over and let it cool down. Thankfully, it's like, you know, sitting in traffic on a warm day, it'll sit about like 104 or something. Sometimes it'll creep up, but it really isn't bad. I'm like, I got like this fucking, you may have saw it in my previous video, like an upgrade, like this monstrous oil cooler. It's called the Juggernaut. Just how clean it looks underneath, it just looks fantastic. I'm super excited with how it looks. So the big bore kit, would I do it again? I probably would. I mean, I kind of enjoy it. It's added a bit more fun to the fun factor to the Grom. I'm like, the Grom is fun to begin with, but being able to go kind of like highway speeds ish is really just kind of just made it more fun. Like, again, I probably could have bought an entire another Grom for the price it cost with everything, but I think that's kind of one of the fun things about modifying your motorcycles. You're gonna do shit like that. You know, that's what he did. It's my money. I'll do it. I do what I want. So, again, I think that's probably going to do it for this video. I'm super bummed. It's weird. Like, as an adult, you can't keep like things nice looking for that long. I'm like, if it's new looking and it looks nice, you're probably not using it enough. I don't know if that's a thing, but I've gone almost a year and a half of dropping my motorcycle helmet. I went to go put it on the hook, and I didn't click the buckle in, and it just fucking dropped to the ground. I'm like, God damn it. I'm like, it is what it is. It's a motorcycle helmet. You're just gonna get damage out of it. So it was where I had a low side crash like a year and a half ago, and it was right before I got my Shoei GT Air. Actually, is the reason why. And so my insurance policy on my motorcycle will give more say like a new helmet. Like it's if you're in a crash, they doesn't want to jeopardize the safety of it. And so I'm like, I got a new helmet for free because it doesn't. I don't have to pay like a deductible for it. It's in my policy. But they did raise my rates for it. So when I was looking to get car insurance, I was on a claim. I'm like, you motherfuckers, it wasn't even that expensive. But that's how insurance works, right? But like nothing is for free with insurance, like new car replacement. It doesn't exist. I mean, they'll probably pay for it, but you know goddamn well they're going to increase your rates because of it. And probably not if it's your fault, if it's not your fault, but if it is your fault, yeah, you're going to pay for it. So, but anyways, I'm going to go maybe dick around with some 3D photos. I wanted to do some tiny planet photos on this thing. I think I have a pretty good place on where I want to do it at. I don't know if I'm having enough daylight to do it, but I guess we'll see. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope the 6K cinema is all buttery smooth and minty fresh and to your liking. Again, my moto vlogs aren't the best. I've actually been looking at maybe sending the 1RS back and getting the Insta360 GO X3. But I don't know how well it would look on a motorcycle helmet, like especially if it's like off-centered or is over here, or if it like it's vertical or something. The idea like behind it is essentially you get like a 4K like recording, like a single lens instead of like this one has a modular lens. So you get a 360 lens, you have to pop it all out. This you can just like press a button and you turn it to 4K. So I've been strongly kind of considering that route. So, but I kind of like the look of this too. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I guess I'll just order it off Amazon. If I don't like it, I'll just send it back, or I'll just send this one back and keep it. I don't know. You know what I mean? It's just one of those things. I'm like, I like to try things. If it doesn't work, I'll send it back. Like that's one of the great things about Amazon is you can do shit like that. Amazon's got a great return policy because of it. It's like, yeah, you just fucking buy shit, send it back if you don't want it. I probably send more things back than what I've kept. So, you know, I guess it's just kind of one of those things. Maybe I'll just consider it. But this though, 71 on a Grom is kind of frightening. Thinking it's like I said with the X3, is the idea like behind it is it's like one camera, but you get all the benefits out of this without having to swap lenses out. If I'm honest, like the 4K media mod, like it's cool. The 360 is kind of cool too, but having one camera that gives you the ability to do both might just be the way to go. So, you know, I don't know. It might just sit a little bit higher where I can actually just kind of like see what's going on with the screen. I mean, it might look funny, but it's you know, it's whatever. But anyways, I think that's going to do it for this vlog. I appreciate you guys for watching. Even though it's shit Grom content, you probably like whatever. But I'm hoping the stories I tell are fun. I mean, I don't know if they are fun, but I'm going to officially end this video as soon as I come to the stop sign. So I will see you guys in the next one. So what are we at for as of October 2020th, 2020. So I'm at 5,000 miles for the year, which is pretty good. I mean, I haven't had the Grom probably for a good 4 months out of the year. So I'm at 19,887 miles for the year. So pretty stoked about that. Or actually, since I bought this. It's going to officially end this video. Thank you guys for watching. I am Need for Steve on the Shenana Grom. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.